Hey everyone, Andrew Myers here with Seaport Real Estate. Today I'm with Kyle Stephenson of Softwash Restoration. Springtime is fast approaching, and that kind of triggers in my head to get my exterior clean, get the outdoor furniture ready, and get ready for springtime parties and get-togethers. Kyle, can you tell me a little bit about what your business has to offer homeowners and businesses in our area?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us, Andrew. Again, Kyle with Softwash Restorations and Roof Cleaning. What we offer is Savannah and the Low Country a full-service exterior cleaning experience. Everything from your roof to the curb, organic, non-organic, standing, anything in the exterior of your home, we're here to clean that and help you with those surfaces.
All right, and y'all use soft wash, which is not different from pressure washing, so it kind of helps with paint. And can you tell me a little bit about that? And how many times a year do you suggest someone getting their house clean or their driveway?
Right. So soft washing differs from pressure washing in the sense of the name. It's a lot softer, very low pressure coming out of our system, almost similar to the garden hose or the spigot at your house. So very low pressure. So it reduces any risk of damaging the home, the exterior. And again, we're not there to damage it, we're there to clean it. We use that soft pressure to make sure that we don't do any damage and do what we're paid to do. And we suggest at least once a year. We recommend twice a year, just due to the area that we live in. There's a lot of humidity, a lot of sunlight, so that's a breeding ground for the organic growth in our area. So we recommend two, but it's recommended for at least once.
Good. All right, so if I have clients or homeowners that want to get in touch with you, how should they get in touch with you to schedule an appointment for an estimate or to come out and get a wash?
Okay, yeah, so it's really easy. You can call us, you can text us, you can reach us out on our website at softwashrestorations.com. There's a form you can fill out on the website. It's real simple, real quick. We turn it around usually within 24 hours. We get to it as fast as we can. If there's anyone who needs an estimate, they can reach out to us on any of those platforms. It would be great.
All right, Kyle, thank you again for sharing information about Softwash. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to reach out to Kyle. We will put all the information in this video link below. Just click it and he'll be getting in touch with you.